have a 2026 Range Rover for a Ghost Pro Immobiliser. If we come round to the front of the vehicle, once we are in, if we try to start the vehicle up, as you will see, the engine will come on, but we have no power to our gearbox. Obviously, once I input our demonstration password, we got our 2 flashes as confirmation, and we can now have the power on our gear selector. So if we go to reverse, it will now display, same as drive, it will also display. And that is how the Ghost 2 Pro will work on a Range Rover 2026.